Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to extract text from a photo to enter into your text message. So this one is a total game changer for productivity, text extraction from images. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up messages. And let's just say you're writing a message to this person. However, you want to go ahead and include a text which you've seen on a paper here. So this is a cover for a Hemming Web product, which I want to go ahead and include it in my text message. So in order to do this, I can go ahead and type it out. However, if this text was very long, typing out will take a lot of time. On your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use a feature called text extraction, and you can basically extract text from a photo. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the text message, tap on the message itself, then go ahead and tap on the three dots. Now from here, you'll find this option called extract text. Go ahead and tap on this. This will now open up your camera at the back, and you need to go ahead and point your camera to a text where you want to extract. So for example, this text here, I'll go ahead and place it here. So here, as you can see, it has auto detected all the text for me. So I can just go ahead and point it. Then I can go ahead and copy it. Tap on the text icon here, T, and this will basically copy whatever it sees in the camera. So as you can see, it has copied Hemming Web 30 meters and 2 centimeters. So this is what it has captured. So whatever it has captured, it has basically converted it from a photo to a text. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and send this off. So this is fast and accurate OCR built in to your Samsung S25 Ultra. It saves time typing long information, and it's great for signs, documents, or handwritten notes. So there you go, guys. That is how to extract text from a photo on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.